Hello and welcome back to another episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing great. Today's recipe is potatoes with mushrooms, a simple and meat-free meal. Here, I'll use a pan and add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Here I have a can of mushrooms, but using fresh ones is even better. If you are using fresh mushrooms, take around 250 to 300 grams. Now well salt the mushrooms until they are nicely cooked and golden. Add about 15 grams of butter, roughly half a tablespoon. Be careful when cooking mushrooms, they release water while sautéing. Make sure to keep an eye on them. Now add sliced red bell pepper, cut into strips like this. Just like that. Add salt to taste. Then a small pinch of black pepper, not too much. Mix everything together and let it cook for about 5 minutes so the peppers soften slightly. Well, come back after that to continue. Now that the mushrooms and peppers are done cooking, let's remove them from the pan and set them aside. In the same pan, add a bit more oil. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and let it heat up. Now add the potatoes cut into pieces like this. Give them a good stir. Keep the heat on low. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. This helps the steam form so the potatoes cook evenly and absorb the flavors. After 5 minutes, add about 1 tablespoon of butter and mix it in. Just like that. Dante has skipped this step. The butter prevents the potatoes from sticking. Now add half a teaspoon of paprika. Cover and let it cook for another 4 minutes so the flavors blend. Let it simmer gently. After about 5 minutes, add a little more salt and a pinch of pepper. Stir everything gently to combine. Now add back the sautéed mushrooms and peppers. Add 1 or 2 crushed garlic cloves. Cover and let it cook for a few more minutes. Finally, sprinkle fresh parsley on top. Stir gently, turn off the heat, and we're ready for the final presentation. Here is our final dish, creamy potatoes with mushrooms and bell peppers. It looks amazing and tastes wonderful. Give it a try today and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get our latest recipes. See you in the next video with another delicious recipe.